Hi, today our lesson is simple equations. First we take a scale. Scale is like this. Both sides will say 5 kilograms. This side we have 5 kilograms. This side also we have 5 kilograms. Now both sides same weight, so therefore it is balanced. Both sides are equal. Now I add another 1 kilogram to this side. Now what is happening? This side has more weight, so it goes down. This side goes down. Now it is like this. To keep the balance, I have to add 1 kilogram to this side also. Now again it is balanced. Again it is balanced. Both sides are equal. Now if I take 3 kilograms out, now what is happening? This side have less weight, so therefore this side goes up and now it is like this. To keep the balance, I have to take 3 kilograms out. Now again it is balanced, both sides are equal. Okay. Now this is the scale. This is how the scale behaves. Now likewise, now if you take a simple equation, it is like this. Say that x plus 4 equal 10. They say solve. Solve means what? Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now how to find the x? Now it is like a scale. This side and this side, both sides are equal. So I have to find the value of x. To find the value of x, I have to take 4 out. To take 4 out, I have to subtract 4 from this side. So if I subtract 4 on this side, from this side also, I have to subtract 4. The same amount I have to subtract both sides. It is like a scale. So x plus 4 minus 4. Then this side also I have to take 4 out. Then 10 minus 4. Then 4 and 4 cancel. Then 4 minus 4 cancel. So x equal 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay. Now we do another question. Question number 2. Say that x plus 7 equal 10. Now I have to find the value of x. Now this is like a scale. So I have to take this 7 out. So therefore I have to subtract 7 from this side. So x plus 7 minus 7. Then from this side also I have to take it 7 out. Then 10 minus 7. Then 7 minus 7 cancel. So x equal 10 minus 7 is what? 3. Now our answer got x equal 3. Now we can substitute x equal 3 here. 3 plus 7 is 10. This side also 10. That means our answer is correct. Right? Right. Now we'll do the third question. Third question is like this. X minus 5 equal 10. Now we have to find the value of x. Now here, to get rid of this 5, I have to add another 5. Here we have minus 5, I have to add another 5 here, plus 5. Then plus 5 and minus 5 will get cancelled. So x minus 5, so I add another 5 here. Then what? If I add 5 here, this side also I have to add another 5. Then 10 plus 5. Same value I have to add both sides. Now what? X minus 5 plus 5 cancel. So here we have x. 10 plus 5 is what? 15. So I got the value x equal 15. Now check it. 15 minus 5 is what? 10. So this side also 10. So our answer is correct. Right. Now the fourth question. X minus 8 equal 12. We have to find the value of x. How we are going to find the value of x? So here we have minus 8. To get rid of minus 8, I have to add plus 8. So therefore x minus 8 plus 8. Then 12. We have to add another 8. 12 plus 8. Now what? Minus 8 and plus 8 will get cancelled. We have x. 12 plus 8 is what? 20. Clear? We got the answer. Now we do another question. Fifth question. X minus 3 equals 7. How to find the value of x? So here minus 3. To cancel the minus 3, I have to add the 3 here. So x minus 3 plus 3. So this side also I have to add the 3. Then 7 plus 3. So minus 3 and plus 3 will get cancelled. So this side we have x. Here 7 plus 3 is 10. Now we can check the answer. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. Correct? No? Our answer is correct. Now we'll do another question. That is seventh question. 2x equal 8. You have to find the value of x. How are you going to find the value of x? Now this is like 2 mangoes cost 8 rupees. Then what is the price of 1 mango? 4 rupees. So therefore, now here 2x equal 8. I have to find the value of x. Now here problem is this 2. That is the coefficient of x. I have to get rid of this 2. To get rid of this 2, I divide this side by 2. So like a scale, if you do something this side, other side also have to do the same thing. So therefore, this side also I divide by 2. Now what? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then what? Here this side you have x. Here 8 divided by 2 is what? 2, 1, 2, 4. So it is 4. So therefore this side is 4. So x equal 4. Clear? Right. Now we'll do another question. 5x equal 20. Now you have to solve this one. 5x equal 20, you have to find the value of x. So here coefficient is what? 5. So this side I have to divide by 5. Then 5x equal 20. This side I divide by 5. Then other side also. That means 20 also you have to divide by 5. Like a scale. So 5 and 5 cancel. Here you have x. 20 divided by 5 is what? 4. Okay? Right. Now we'll do another question. Little different question. X minus 1 equal 2 plus 5. How are you going to find this value? Now here minus 1 is there. So I have to get rid of this minus 1. So I have to add another 1 here. So x minus 1 plus 1 equal 2 plus 5. You have to add another 1 here. Then minus 1 plus 1 cancel here. X equal 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 1 8. Clear? Right. Now we do this question. Question number 9. Clear? Say that 3x minus 1 equal 8. Now we have to find the value of x. How we are going to find the value of x? Here first of all we have to get rid of this minus 1. Second we can think about the 3. So to cancel minus 1, I have to add 1 this side. So 3x minus 1 plus 1. Then other side also I have to add another 1. Then 8 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 cancel. So here this side you have 3x. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Now what? 3x equal now. So how to find the value of x? You have to divide both sides by 3. So here 3 and 3 cancel x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we'll do another question. Five x minus 2 equal 13. How are we going to find the value of x? Here minus 2. 5x minus 2 equal 13. I have to get rid of this minus 2. To get rid of this minus 2, I have to add 2 this side. Then same 2 we have to add to the other side also. So 5x minus 2 equal 13 plus 2. If I add 2 this side, same value you have to add other side. Now what? 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. Here you have 5x. 13 plus 2 is what? 15. So now 5x equal 15. How to find the value of x? Both sides you divide by 5. Then 5 and 5 cancel. X equal 15 divided by 5 is what? 3. Right. Now we do another question. 7x minus 3 equal 11. Now you have to find the value of x. So here the minus 3 is the first thing you have to remove. To remove this minus 3, I have to add 3 here. 7x minus 3 plus 3 equal 11 plus 3. This side also I have to add another 3. Then minus 3 and plus 3 cancel. 7x. 11 minus 3 is what? 14. So both sides I divide by 7. Why? I have to get rid of this 7. 7 and 7 cancel. Here we have x. 14 divided by 7 is what? 2. Here I got x equal 2. We check it 2 times. Now x equal 2 means 2 times x is 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 3 is what? 11. Now we do another question. 5x plus 1 equal 21. We have to find the value of x. How are we going to find it? Here the problem is 1. So I have to get rid of this 1. So therefore I have to take 1 out. How to put 1 out? I have to subtract 1 from this side. So 5x plus 1 minus 1. Then this side also I have to take it 1 out. 21 minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 cancel. Here 5x. This side it is only 5x. Then 21 minus 1 is what? 20. Now you got 5x equal 20. Now we have to find the value of x. How are you going to find it? You have to divide this by 5. Then this side also you have to divide by 5. 5 and 5 cancel, x equal 4. Okay. Now we do another one more question. 8x plus 2 equal 18. How are you going to find the value of x? So here plus 2. I have to get rid of this plus 2. So 8x plus 2, I have to take it another 2 here. To cancel 2, I have to subtract 2 this side. Then this side also I have to subtract 2. So 18 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 cancel. Here we have 8x. 18 minus 2 is what? 16. Now 8x equal 16. So I have to find the value of x. How are you going to find it? This side coefficient is 8. By 8 we have to divide this side. Then other side also we have to divide by 8. 8 and 8 cancel. Here we have x. 16 divided by 8 is what? 2. Now we got the value of x equal 2. We'll check it. 2 times 8 equal 16. 16 plus 2 is what? 18. Okay. This side, if you substitute x equal to 8 into 2 is what? 16. 16 plus 2 is what? 18. This side you got 18. This side also 18. So both sides are equal. That means our answer is correct. Right. Today my lesson is over. Okay. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. Then you will get more videos like this. Thank you very much.